Hi Bhavna, how are you?
Hello, sir. I'm fine. What about you?
Same here, Bhavna. So finally got placed.
Yes, sir. And I was really excited to meet you, to greet you, to thank you for this placement. It was really helpful for me, for my career, for my growth, and I'm really thankful to you.
You're most welcome, and you really deserve it, Bhavna. After all, it's your equal, hard work and everything, along with my team, definitely. So let's start talking about your
Yeah.
journey and testimonial for the feedback I can give for
Yes,
this
sir.
placement journey, training and placement journey.
Yeah.
So let's start with the very first thing. How did you come to know about NG Networks?
Actually, got to know about NG Networks from my brother Ankur Sharma. He's currently in Cisco. So I
Actually,
got to know about that.
Ankur's
Yeah, he's my
sister.
brother.
That's
Yeah.
it. So of
So I
course,
got to
I don't need to ask any other question. How did you come to know about NG Networks?
yeah.
So your brother is already doing, really
Yeah,
well.
he's doing great. And he also told me to come into this field, and I'm really thankful to him likewise because I am here because he guided me for you and you supported me further for this placement. And like really,
So, how was the reaction? When you come to know about Ankur, Ankur is coming from a non-IT background.
yeah,
Remember?
actually, me myself is from a medical background,
Acha, you are also
so
from that.
like it was entirely different. It was really difficult for me to shift my field from medical to IT. But yes, I believed him, and then he told me to blindly trust you. That just give it a try, and I'm saying that you will be getting placed in a very good position at a very good place. And I really trusted him. Then I trusted NG Networks, and today I am here. And now I also recommend people that you blindly trust them, and you're going to land at a very good place.
Thank you very much. So, now, when the first time you come to know that Ankur is in IT, Ankur has moved into, he was working into the HR and all. If you
Yeah.
remember, he was working with me. So, when you come to know he got placed and working into the IT, what was your reaction? Like, how it is possible someone like coming from a different background? I think Ankur is not that studious student.
Yeah, like he just told me that you just give it a try and just believe me that you are gonna place it. Like starting when he gave me some notes and I was like what is a router? What is a switch? I don't know anything about it. But like with time I get to know now. I'm really confident that yes, you can ask me, I can answer that with full confidence. Like I have got this confidence from NG Networks.
Chalo. So, when Ankur referred you, who was the first person you interacted in engineering?
Namita ma'am.
Namita. How
She
was it?
guided me about it. Yeah, she really. I was also nervous. I also asked her about that, about the same that oh, I'm from medical background and I'm shifting to this. Like how she really guided me in a very good manner. She said, you just get a demo class. You just take notes. You just think, and if you're not able to, then tell us. We will help you throughout this journey. And really, she helped me in that.
Great. So, and then what? After the Namita, you interacted with Namita.
After that I got the sessions for basic classes for from Nirjar ma'am, and like whenever I had any issues about the classes, Rahul sir was always there to help me. Like it was a really great journey. Like Nirjar ma'am is too good. She
Thank
explains so well that she takes screenings as well. Like, but before screenings also, she gave us like small homeworks to complete, and she used to ask. So it gives us a better idea to that we should be regular in our classes. We should study regularly. So it helped me a lot.
So, Bhavna, I think you are the right person to whom I should ask this question. Coming from a medical background, entering into the IT, because I usually takes because you are coming from someone already
Yeah.
placed candidate with the reference of place candidate, and now I'm taking regularly a few sessions online webinars where I'm talking about like you can come from any background. I have created a format of training that can help anyone with any background, with any graduation background, and any percentile in that background. Doesn't matter to me. Doesn't
Yeah.
bother to our placement process. So, what's your words on it? The process that we have created for the training till the
Like
placement.
I'm really saying that I literally blindly trusted, and now I also recommend to blindly trust. If you're from any background, just come here and you will learn from basic to advanced to real time, and it's a long short journey both. Like you will not get to know that how this time passed and how you got placed also. Like
The-
it's really good.
So how was that format? That when you enter, so we started the technical part. You already
Yeah,
spoke about
technical part, yeah.
the basic and the advanced. How was that journey? The training journey, the technical part training journey.
The technical part is really good because we get to know about the theoretical knowledge as well as the practical knowledge from Cisco Tracer, NGS, and every practical, and it's really helpful that we get to know about both. And like the best part is that we get screenings, both internal and external screenings from time to time, which help us to land to a good theoretical knowledge.
Great. So when you move from the technical to the real time, I usually explain that real time is something that can help you to get into the job and survive in the job. Now, what's your words on the real time?
Yes, like definitely a real time was done by Deepak sir, and he's great, man. Like he explains so well. Like if you have nothing knowledge, he'll gonna go from 0 to 100% until you learn 100%. Like he's too good in that, and like definitely in real time we get to know that how actually we need to work in a company, what work we will be given, like about the incidents, about the priorities, how we have to troubleshoot the issues. Like we get all that knowledge in real time, which really helps us in the interviews as well.
Great. So what is the difference between the technical and the real time training in Bhavna's work?
Like in technical we get to know about both theoretical and practical knowledge, but in real time we get to know about other things as well, like what we have to actually work upon in the companies. And secondly, it also explains it was so well that about the incidents, that how actually we need to troubleshoot the things, the issues, and how we have to resolve that issue. So it is really important to go from basic to advanced to real time, because it is a combination. So it's really helpful.
Great. And then finally you completed the training technical and real time part. So you're moving from the training to the placement team. How was that part, the transition part?
Yeah, the placement process was also really good. Like there was Anjali ma'am, Muskan ma'am. Like whenever I had any query, I used to call her. She used to support me. She used to guide me, and like it really helped me throughout the process placement. And this was my first interview, and I got cleared. I cleared my first interview, so I was really happy. And like the best part was that before the interview, there would be mock interviews, which really helped me. Like this was a really major part, that whenever I had interviews, there would be mock interview before that, and it really helped me that how actually interview process will be and how questions will be asked, and it really helped me throughout that process.
Great. I think that really works out the idea of taking the mock, and Anjali and the team really work hard.
Yeah, definitely.
They are like after their life to just get you placed at any cost at any time. They are working around the clock, just to help you out to get placed. I really admit that part. So the induction part, I want to know, how was it the process which I have created? Like someone entered into the technical, is into the touch with the Aanchal and the Rahul. Then from the Namita to the Rahul and Aanchal, then Rahul and Aanchal to the Anjali. So in between that, the transition was smooth, the communication was smooth. How was that part?
It was really, really smooth. Like in every part, we were guided in a very good way. Like we never had any issues that this is going wrong, or this is something that this shouldn't work. Like it's everything that whenever sometimes I was nervous also, nahi mere se to bilkul nahi hoga, nahi kar paungi main, but no, that I used to ask questions to Nirjar ma'am in between also. Like she helped me, and like the process, and I am here, and I'm really helpful. I'm really thankful for that.
Great, Bhavna. That was really amazing. Okay, so finally, you are a place candidate. So, what would you like to speak to your juniors in the currently who are into the technical or the real time or into the placement process? What is your words for them?
I really think that they should keep consistency to work upon the theoretical and the practical knowledge, and likewise they should go with flow. Like whatever you are being taught, just learn, and you are going to get placed at a very good place. Like now I also say that I guarantee you that you will be getting placed by NG Networks. Like I have got this trust, and really it is really good.
And what is the importance of screening in your words, Bhavna? Because there are a lot of students, you know it very well, they got scared because of this screening. So what is your,
No,
words on
actually, during my first screening also, I was also really scared. I used to ask my husband to take my mock screenings. Before screenings, I used to give him mock screenings. Please ask me questions. Like, it really helps people to gain confidence, to get basic and advanced both knowledge. So it is really helpful.
Great.
Like,
So
I am too thankful, but my parents are glad. My family is so happy. They are saying, "Wow, you should have done it before." Like, they're so happy, so happy.
Lots of blessings from my side as well, Bhavna. And now finally, because you already referred by someone, but most of the students who don't have the reference, they check, they find NG Networks over the Google, they search and they find the YouTube videos, and usually they will find such kind of testimonial. Have you ever seen this testimonial?
Yes, I have. Yes, I have.
So that time you were like, there was a time when you realized, okay, one day I'll be there in my test.
Yes, definitely. And I never thought that I'll be here too soon. Like, I never thought that I'll be able to clear my first round, first interview. Like, it was a big accomplishment, a big achievement for me as well, to clear the first interview.
When you spoke to the Namita in the beginning, what is the package she has committed to you?
Yeah, she committed like minimum of 6 lakhs package.
And what you get?
7.5.
How about that add-on?
Like, amazing. Really amazing.
So what message you want to give to the people who are watching your video and bit skeptical to join? Yeah, I don't have this background. They must be thinking, I'm coming from the commerce background. Someone like you from the
Yeah.
medical or any
Medical
different background.
background, yes.
So they are like many women's after marriage, they have to take a gap and then planning to start again. Any message for them that what?
Yeah, I just believe that NG Networks is the best platform to start a career. Because this is the best platform you will be getting from basic, advanced, real time to the interview process, that you have to do nothing. You just have to learn whatever you are being taught. You just have to go through. You have to just learn. You have to just go with the flow, and you will land up in a position where you actually wanted to be.
Great. That's amazing. Really, Bhavna, it was really, amazing conversation with you. You really explained
Thank you,
everything.
sir.
Whatever you speak, it comes from the heart. I can easily see on your face, and I'm happy that you have been placed by us. It's
Yes.
such a privilege to us as well. And after all, it's your hard work. I know when you're coming from a different background, how difficult it is to.
It was really tough for me. It
Yes.
was really, really tough, but I believe that things got easier, got better when we learn from this institute that guides so well.
Thank you very much, Bhavna. All the very best, and we will
Thank you
be
so much, sir. Thank you.
stay in touch so I can decide.
Yeah, definitely.
I can help you to grow more and more, and you are going to grow. I know that. You're such an amazing person.
Thank you so much. It was really nice talking to you, sir, as well.
Same here, Bhavna. And whenever you're coming to the Delhi, don't
Yeah,
forget.
I am in Noida only.
Acha, you're in Noida.
Yeah.
Plan to meet soon.
Yeah, definitely.
When Ankur is back, then we can plan easily.
Yeah, definitely.
Thank you, Bhavna. Thank you. Bye.
Okay. Bye, sir. Bye, sir. Have a great day. Bye.